Welcome to this tutorial on reconfiguration in the ChromeOS Readiness Tool. Let's walk through how you can start another round of data collection using the reconfiguration option. If you want to begin a new data collection round to assess ChromeOS readiness, you can use the Reconfigure option. Simply open the installer, click on the Reconfigure button, and confirm to start. Next, log in with your Google account. The tool will authenticate your account to proceed. Now, add your company data. Once entered, click Next. The tool will update the company details for this new round of collection. After that, connect to your cloud storage. Enter the storage bucket, and once the green check mark appears, click Next to continue. Configure the tool for the number of assessment days required. If needed, you can also enable browser insights and choose to hide the tray icon by selecting the checkboxes provided. Click Next once you're done. That's it, the reconfiguration is complete. You can now download the private key and the newly configured deployment package to roll out across client machines. And that's how you reconfigure the ChromeOS Readiness Tool for a new data collection round.